I'm Casey. I'm a graphic designer for Amazon brands and I create converting infographics for Amazon products. And I just want to share something about lifestyle images. I am seeing this all over Amazon brands where they create lifestyle images using just stock photos. But there is more than that. Lifestyle images are there to captive your customers' emotions. Lifestyle images are there to paint a picture in your customer's mind while they are using your product. And I think a lot of brands are doing lifestyle images wrong. I am seeing a lot of brands where they only use stock photos and they just put their products overlaid on the side, which is a big no-no. You are wasting your time, you are wasting space in your Amazon listings, and you are wasting money on your graphic designers. You are leaving money on the table when you are using your lifestyle images wrong. Lifestyle images are there to capture your customers' emotions and to paint a picture in their mind while they are using your products. So, how can you actually make converting lifestyle images? Number one, you should have a lifestyle image that is showing a person using your product, not an overlaid side. It's a no-no. Number two, you should show a lifestyle image of the person. It should be your target audience. It should be showing your target audience who are they, so they can relate to the picture that they are looking at. Third, you should have a lifestyle image with a person who has an uplifting face and not random stock images. Those three criterias will create an impactful in converting images for your Amazon listings. And I hope you enjoyed this and thank you for watching. Bye.